What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So on today's menu is going to be a guessing game. Leave it in the comment section on what you think I'm going to be making. So, got a nice thick piece of black pipe. Piece of good heavy duty square tubing. We got a chain. We got another long thick grade piece of black pipe. We got a nut and a bolt. And we have a nice thick spacer. So, I'm not going to say what I'm building. I'm going to let you guys try to take a guess at what I'm building. Then I want you guys to take a guess, and I'm going to let this video roll for about a week. And then I want you guys to tell me what you think it is in the comment section. And I want to see likes and subscribes. And maybe this might be an entertaining way to do my channel. I'm struggling to try to get you all some good content, get you some fun interactive kind of deal here. So in a week, I'll release the video of what it's used for, how to use it, and how to make it. And then we'll go from there.